Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and apply for a Venmo credit card. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. First things first, I'm just going to tell you the eligibility and requirements. So you must be 18 plus to go ahead and apply for Venmo credit card. You must also reside in the US or its territories, and your Venmo account should be at least 30 days in good standing and active recently. You'll also need to provide data like name, email, phone address, DOB, last phone number of SSN, and annual net income. Now, simply go ahead and open your Venmo application, and then all you need to do is tap the menu icon, which is the triple lines, and then select Venmo credit card from the menu or settings. Enter the requested personal and financial details, then send your application for review. If approved, a virtual card is available in the app for online purchases. The application involves a hard credit inquiry, which can affect your credit score. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.